ZENA stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. ZENA Tech has been sitting at 9.80. That's like 52% gains for the day. It actually stands out quite a bit through all the red and bearish, ticker symbols that I've had here on like the watch list. And with ZENA Tech, I'll say one thing. Seems like I made a video on it like well before here in the October, and that was correct on on the price coming down and whatnot. But then out of nowhere now we're just pumping like crazy. In situations like this, again, I've done 32,000 videos, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and refined all of this, seeing what has worked for me, what has not. In terms of this, I'm definitely willing to double down on this proper bullish trend by buying, of course, but obviously all I would like to see like a 5-minute double break or something, because like without the retracement and the price giving me the rules, there's no way that I'm gonna buy here, no way. So all I'll do in the meantime is just keep waiting. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.